how you can make your first $1,700 or more per week with Clickbank affiliate marketing using TikTok. Now this is all faceless channel. As you can see on my Clickbank account, you can see right over here, these are the proof of the income that I'm making with only one account. Now why this is important, before I go into it, check my TikTok, okay? Almost 180,000 video views in 1 week and 1,500 profile views and comments. Now why this is important, again, is in 2025, my friend, if you want to get results, you need to understand engagement is the name of the game. On TikTok shop, if you go and look, people are buying products. It means the secret is there is the already buyer's intent. Buyer's intent. You see, if I go in the morning when I wake up on my Facebook, on my iPhone, and scroll to my Facebook or Instagram, of course I'm not ready to buy, to swipe my credit card. No, but on TikTok, on the other hand, or Google Ads, yes, people are there in the buying mode, okay? But the name of the game is get person who is scrolling on TikTok into the problem state and move them slowly into the solution state with your landing page and ad, video ad, right? Now again, this is faceless. You don't have to show your face on the video, on camera at all. No, it's all done for you once we work together one-on-one. Now, before I go into it, over here, if you go to Clickbank Marketplace, you can see Java Burn, for example, Java Burn, weight loss coffee, right? $163 per sale. Of course, you can make even more with other products, right? But because there are upsells, there are down sales, right? People are buying products every single day, 24/7. And all this can be done for you. For example, in spirituality niche, right? You can see over here, or $100 in commissions you can be making. Manifestation space, right? So it's all possible, it's all doable. Even $400 per sale. It's all possible. Any niche. As long as you have someone who can help you one-on-one and hand-holding you along the way, right? Because we all need someone who can help us to fast forward ourselves to get better results fast, right? Now, you can see over here some of the results that later you can reach out to me on my Instagram, my WhatsApp, my email, right? My messenger. So you can see some of the results. I traveled to over 63 countries, 64 countries because of affiliate marketing, right? Later you can reach out to me over there. Now, let's go straight into it over here, right? You can see, let's say you make only $500 per sale with all the upsells. You are making, in that case, my friend, over $10,000 per month if you have 5 sales per week. If you have only 1 sale per week, you're making $2,000 per month, which is not bad, right? At your job, 9 to 5, many people are making in Europe less than that, working 8 to 10 hours or even more per day. Why TikTok affiliate marketing? Because you don't have to show your face and people are already in the buyer state, right? For example, let me show you here. I had the matcha over here from Japan. Why this is important is because when we have the right hook, right? The big idea, when we have the right hook, we don't have to split test any ads. When we understand our audience on a deeper level, then we can get great results. Now, you don't have to learn all yourself, right? Because as you're going to see later, you can see people are buying stuff online 24/7. How to order, you see on TikTok, right? It's natural. Now you can see on a Zoom call, we do it together, one-on-one. I'm helping you. We are working together, right? This is the lifestyle you can have, freedom, right? Dream lifestyle that many people dream of, but never get close to it because they quit. They make excuses. They procrastinate. They are scared to invest few $1,000s or few $100s in themselves, right? To get better future for their kids, spouse, parents, or family, right? And this can work for you, guaranteed, if you have 20 to 30 minutes per day. If you have laptop connection, laptop, PC, or whatever, at least strong Wi-Fi connection, right? And the best part is you don't have to pitch your friends and family. As I told you before, if you remember, you don't have to show your face. This is not MLM. This is not network marketing. This is affiliate marketing. You are promoting everyday products that people are anyway buying. So the question is, my friend, are you going to take opportunity, give yourself a gift, a chance, and allow yourself to claim what's yours in 2025? Or are you going to look on other people making money online and wondering why you can't? can't. Okay, because you can. If I can do it, if they can do it, you can do it as well, right? With the right support, of course. I'm not saying maybe it's not your fault if you have lost money before in some courses, you failed, you didn't get enough money back. I understand. I've been there as well. I know how it feels. But I didn't make excuses. I took action, and this is why I live the life I live today. Okay? So, if you want to make money online with Clickbank affiliate marketing, Google Ads, pay-per-click, or even TikTok in this case, let me know one-on-one after watching this video. All the links are in the description. Let's connect and let's make something happen.